This EV2 prototype meets our torque targets.
Solid. What about the battery integration? We've optimized it. Watch the hologram. Let's simulate the power flow. The thermal layer is stable. Efficiency is up 3%. Good. Let's optimize the layout. Let's adjust the front grille for better airflow. Agreed. I'll update the simulation now.
The rear drag looks good.
The grille curve needs adjustment for better airflow. Noted. I'll mark the section. Rotate to the side. Okay, sliding the module in. Got it, wires are ready. It's seated, check the connectors, securing now. Battery metric stable, proceeding. Voltage is aligned, connecting now. Check the thermal sensors. Logging adjustments.